Now we're still using the same entries from our previous board. So for number 2, we are going to multiply B times A. Now matrix B is given by 4, 1, 0, 3, 1, 2, which is a 2 by 3 matrix, and matrix A is 2, 1, 3, 1, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now first step is to verify if you can combine B and A by multiplication. So by writing the order of the two matrices side by side, we found out that the inner value or the inner numerical value of our order is not the same. Therefore, we can no longer continue with our step. So that means B times A is null or empty because it is not possible to multiply matrix B and matrix A from our first step. So number 2, it's null. Now for number 3, multiplying C times D, wherein matrix C is 1, 3, 2, 4, 0, 1, and matrix D is 4, 0, negative 3, and 5, writing their orders side by side to verify if we can multiply them, gives us the same numerical value for the inner parentheses. So that means we can combine C and D by multiplication. So we can proceed with our process. Now to figure out or to have an idea of the order of the product of these two matrices, we have 3 and 2 as our outer value. So we know that we are expecting a 3 by 2 matrix when we combine C and D. So now that we verified, and we also had an idea of what our product will look like, let's start with the process. So this is matrix 1 and this is matrix 2. So the first step is to count the number of columns of matrix 2, which gives us 2 columns. That means we're going to copy the first matrix twice. So this is the first copy and this is the second copy. Now the first column is 4 and negative 3, so we're going to multiply it horizontally. So we have 4, negative 3, 4, negative 3, 4, negative 3. And we're going to repeat that step to the second copy, but this time we are using the second column, which is 0 and 5. So we have 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Now simplifying each of the entry in our matrix, we'll have 4 minus 9, 2 times 4, which is 8, 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12, 0 minus 3, and this will be our first column. And for our second column, we have 0 plus 15, 0 plus 20, 0 plus 5, and simplifying our second matrix will give us the product of C times D. So the product of C times D, which is a 3 by 2 matrix, is negative 5, 15, negative 4, 20, negative 3, and 5. And that is how we multiply matrices with different orders.